This is a Yager 11-inch planer. It's powered by a 3/4 horsepower 1725 120 volt motor, and here's the rise and lower mechanism, and the in-feed roller, powered in-feed roller, powered out-feed roller. Here's the 3-knife cutter head. Also, I have 2 extra sets of knives that go with the machine, and the motor drives the cutter head in one direction, and then the drivetrain carries the power over to the in-feed and the out-feed rollers to convey the stock through the machine. I'm going to turn the machine on now so that you can see that it will work under power.